Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to create a course. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a course on Udemy is a structured process, so first what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Udemy's Instructor account. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you and then simply click on or tap on Become an Instructor. Then create an account and accept instructor terms. Then next is to simply create your course by choosing the create your course option, then choose between the course and practice test. Then next is to set up your course basics, add a course title, then define learning objectives and select the target audience. Then plan your course content and record your videos and upload an organized content, and you can also set the price as free or paid. Then you can also write a accompanying course description, add promotional video and instructor bio, choose categories, subcategories and keyword. Lastly, submit for review, and once approved you can publish and promote. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.